Okay, guys, it's Mammy now. We are going to make, I'm just going to show y'all. I've got, how you been cooking without you seeing? Hang on just a minute. This, oh well. I'm going to just show y'all the green beans. There. This is green bean bundles, and all it is 5 or 6 little green beans. They have been blanched just like we did when we cooked green beans in the oven, and then I wrapped half a stick of bacon around them. Then I've got 1 stick of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay.
Smell that garlic. No.
Then we just mix that up. This is just a sweet bundle of green beans. That's what I call them. Sweet bundle of green beans.
Me too.
Yeah, and Mo calls them that too. We told her, Momo, you can't be doing that. But anyhow, then you just pour these over, kind of like this. Get them good and thick. Get it good and thick on them. Make sure you get the green beans too, not just the bacon.
You want to tell them why you didn't make that many? Because I know.
Because this is all I had.
Oh, and because probably nobody but us will eat it.
Well, yeah, probably nobody will eat it up there but us, but that's okay. But it's going to be good. I don't know, Papa Jed ate my green beans cooked like this in the casserole.
Yeah, Papa Jed will eat it. Just not Mimi and Daddy and them.
You're not going to use it all. You save some, because when these are about halfway done in about 15 minutes or so, we'll flip them and then we'll baste the other side. And that's all you do. Simple, simple, simple. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven. And that's it. And we'll come back when they're done, okay? All right. Love you guys.